Hey peeps! So today I am reviewing the Friends Revolution palette. So here are the swatches of the palette. It looks like this. And if you want to see how I created this look and my opinions on this palette, then just watch it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's do this. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to do like a brownie gold look or like a pink and purple. I can't decide. I think I'm just going for the brown. Everyone loves a brown look. Everyone can rock it. Do you know what I mean? So I've been touching it already because I wanted to see. So I'm gonna take the shade Apothecary Table. I can't even say that. I really like that you can just flip it open and close. Because sometimes when it's so bulky and big, it gets in the way, you gotta flap open. So I'm taking this Peaches and Cream PC39 brush. I've already primed my eyelids. I've just put some concealer. It has a lot of fallout, but you know, not a problem. So I'm just gonna take it and see how it rocks. How does it perform? It is pigmented. It is pigmented. I'm just gonna curve around my eye like this. Each piece lemon squeegee. I'm really glad I didn't buy the first series of palettes because this is the second one. The first one didn't call out my name, like the palettes and the colors and just looked dead to me. Like it didn't stand out. And when I looked at this one, I thought this actually does look like the colors represent more what I feel it should have been. And I prefer as well the keyhole style. To me, if I just say one thing that stands out to me and is like a true representation of Friends, it's the keyhole, bruh. Everybody knows that. Like there's a lot of things obviously that's represented, but that's the numero uno in my eyes. So far so fab. Don't worry if it's a bit, you know, wonky. I'm gonna add a color onto it anyway. So what do I wanna do? I'm gonna take this shade Mac and Cheese. Just like a lighter brown. I'm taking this Morphe M506 brush. And I'm just gonna go over that and see how this blends out. Don't let me down. Okay, it's blending, it's blending. I'm actually impressed. It blended. Revolution did that. Revolution did that. That's blending so nicely. I don't know why I was skeptical that it wouldn't. I really need to get more into drugstore makeup. I'm just curving it around my eye. I'm sugar. I'm gonna take this shade, this little number, Maple Candy. I'm taking the Sigma E36 brush to blend that out. It's actually melting nicely together. But the only thing I do say is it like, when you add another color, it does take a little bit away from the other color. I can just go back into that. I really want to try one of these bold colors next. If you guys want to see me do a look, a different look, like maybe like a bold, like a bright color look or a different kind of look or whatever kind of look. If you guys want to see me try another look with this palette, let me know down below. So it's blended, but I need to add more color to that. So I'm going to go back in with the shade Mac and Cheese and I'm just going to blend it back together with that clear. And then I'm just gonna take that dark shade again, the Apothecary Table. A lot of fallout on that. And I'm gonna go back in and try and make that dark again. Because I don't want it to just be one block color of brown. This is a little Central Perk coffee style kind of look. When you're happy with all your blending, let's go in with the shade Birthday Flan. It's just like this really nice gold color. I'm gonna just take this Peaches and Cream PC07 brush and let's see how this rocks. Ooh, that's pigmented. Really nice. I love that gold. I love it. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of Fix Plus and see if it will be more popping and blind in. I'll wet my brush just a little bit. Let's see if they'll make it more metallic. I like that. I like how pigmented that is. A+. It's coming to the end of its life. I'm impressed with that gold. That comes out better than some other palettes I have that are more expensive than this. So just to do some blending, I'm gonna go back in with the shade Mac and Cheese, and I'm gonna blend this just now with the gold. I think this one's not blended. I can't tell. I can't see. Yeah, it's blended. I think I just made that one too more creamier from making my brush wet. And then we'll go back in with the apothecary table. I let you go in with the same 3 brushes. Like, you don't need a million brushes to do eyeliner. So they look like one big block of brown to you. I can't tell if these 2 colors have blended into one color. I don't know. Let's just go back in with more maple candy because I kind of wanted that gradient. Okay, let me put some mascara on. And let me put some lashes. Okay. So I wanted to stick to like a dramatic, more glam type of vibe. I just wanted to keep the glam. So I've stuck my lashes on. These are the Doll Beauty lashes in the style Esmeralda. I just wanted to have more of like a dramatic lash. Let me just finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. Okay, so I've done the rest of my face. I'm gonna just finish up my under eyes quickly. I'm gonna go in with the shade Mac and Cheese and then also Apothecary Table. I'm gonna first take the darker one, the Apothecary Table, and I'm just gonna smoke it around this part of my eye, just the corner. And then we go to a little Mac and Cheese. Just so it's not heavy in the front of the eye. Cute. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna take the shade Monana. And I'm just gonna stick it right here in my inner corner. Let me stick some mascara under my lashes. And that is it complete. Complete with the Friends Revolution. So my thoughts of this palette, I'm actually really impressed with this palette. It's only £20. I definitely think it's worth the money. It's not expensive. Comes with like a big mirror on the inside. Hi, how are you? Anyways, the colors are really cute. I feel like they've chosen colors that really make me think of the TV show. Like this purple really makes me think of Monica's Apartment. The browns, coffee. It's a cute palette. It's really pigmented. It blends really nicely. Don't ask me why I was thinking it wasn't gonna, but I don't know why I was so skeptical. I was thinking, nah, it's not gonna be pigmented. Nah, it's not gonna blend. The quality is quite good. It's done really well. Like this look came out really cute. I'm so glad I didn't buy that first series set, the first palettes. I'm so glad I didn't buy that. And I love the packaging of this. Super cute. And plus, let's be real, anything with friends on it just excites me. I'm just like, friends, okay, I'll buy it. Take all my money now. It's a really cute palette. It'll be a really cute gift for someone who loves Friends. Okay, that's the final look, guys. So yes. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you